I'm here in Oregon to see which is faster, designing the album Fundy Designer or jumping out of an airplane. Let's see how it goes. I have a fear of heights, so this will be challenging. Kids and family, I did it! Building an album in Fundy Design. Let's get started. We're going to design a album. So you will pick your album design, your company, and what album size did you want. We're going to do an 8x12 today, and we're going to hit design that project. And just like that, we're going to select album, and Fundy is going to do its magic and automatically, get us started here. So from here, we can tweak and make any changes that we would like to make. So on this one here, I'm going to switch out an image. So let's pick this one, and you just kind of glance through it, and pretty much Fundy has done what we needed it to do. And we are all set. Now we're going to export this out for print. I can't believe I did it.
You did it. So what was faster?
Woo! Design an album through Fundy is definitely faster. All right, so now what's also faster? Doing a proofer through Fundy or flying out of an airplane? Jumping. Definitely Fundy. Using Fundy proofer is going to be a great option. So we're going to come up here to the proofer. Let's hit new proof. And over here, you can personalize it. You can customize it with your branding. And over here saying, okay, what are we sharing with them? An album, wall art, or cards. You can go in the drop down. And now we're going to get ready to design that. And we're going to hit next. If you got any type of messaging you want for them to get in that email, we're going to hit next. And so now the system is going to go ahead and prepare that. Make sure you get all your blue checks here. Final touches on it, and congratulations, it is all set. Here's the link.
Welcome back. Jumped out of an airplane.
So here are the results. It actually took me about 6 minutes to jump out of an airplane and get all the way down to the ground. And it only took me about 3 minutes and 25 seconds to create an album in Fundy. Well, it took me about 3 minutes and 29 seconds to do a proofer in Fundy. So it is actually scarier and takes longer to jump out of an airplane than it is to design in Fundy.